What if skipping breakfast wasn't a mistake, but a reset button? Discover how time-restricted eating can unlock your body's natural processes for enhanced energy and focus. As the world awakens, so does the potential for renewal within us. Begin the day with intention, a moment of stillness before the rush. The subtle aroma of black coffee fills the air, a simple act of delaying breakfast. Time-restricted eating supports your body's natural rhythm, aligning with its inherent design. Within, a remarkable process begins: cellular repair at its finest. The autophagy process is a systematic breakdown and recycling of cellular components, the body's natural process of cellular repair, cleaning house at a microscopic level. Energizing from within, powering our cells for optimal function and boosting mitochondrial function for sustained energy throughout your day. A state of heightened focus, where mental clarity sharpens and distractions fade. Clear focus and heightened mental clarity, the fruits of cellular efficiency. A moment of calm, a walk in nature, finding stillness in movement, finding balance and presence, grounding yourself in the moment. Quiet moments for reflection, delving into a book, expanding the mind. Returning to the start, the day takes on a new perspective. Simple shifts for profound well-being. A hopeful tone, a sense of resilience and clarity.